And this is a massive impact of the India Today infiltration investigation that we did. The government has now taken note of our investigation. Union Minister slammed TMC over illegal infiltration, says TMC involved in illegal infiltration drives. Shukanta has said that TMC helps infiltrators in getting Aadhaar. India Today had exposed Bangladesh and India infiltration mafia. A big spike in Bangladesh border infiltration. The government has now responded.
For several years, BJP is shouting that this kind of infiltration is taking place and it is changing the demography of the state of West Bengal, as well as this is changing the demography of the rest of the India. Already the Assam, Jharkhand and West Bengal, the demography of these three states has been changed. The demography has been changed by this illegal infiltration. And if you go to the depth of the problem, you will find out that the local TMC leadership, they are patronizing this kind of people. Those are ready to provide Aadhaar card in expense of 15,000 rupees.
When we questioned TMC MP about this from Kuch Vihar, he said that it's because the central government is not doing anything, BSF is not there, fencing is not there. Your comments to that?
No, this man is newly elected, so that's why maybe he is unaware of the fact that state of West Bengal is not providing a land to the central government. We have written so many letters to the state government. Not only that, after the use of derogative words by the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, the Amit Shah ji, our Honorable Home Minister, visited the Navan, that is the Secretariat of West Bengal, and asked her to provide the land. He has asked for the land for 72 BSF posts. That was not also provided by the state of West Bengal.
जिम्मेदारी BSF का है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का है. अगर बॉर्डर में किसी जगह पे फेंसिंग नहीं होता है, तो उस जगह पे हर दिन ये लोग घुसपैठी आते हैं बांग्लादेश से इंडिया में. कभी कभी रात में, कभी कभी दिन में आता है. तो ये जिम्मेदारी BSF के निभाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि बॉर्डर का जो सिक्योरिटी है उनके हाथ में है. ये स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं है.
एक बहुत सामान्य सी बात है, लगातार ये बोस्ट करती है भारतीय जनता पार्टी. स्वयं मोदी जी 56 इंच का सीना, कोई हमारे यहाँ कोई प्रवेश नहीं किया है. चाइना की बात भी मैं करना चाहूंगा, लेकिन विशेषकर मैं बांग्लादेश घुसपैठे की बात कर रहा हूँ. ये एक दो लिस्ट होती है, कंकरेंट लिस्ट है, एक सेंट्रल लिस्ट है, स्टेट लिस्ट है. तो क्या बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्स जो सीमा है, ये केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री के अंतर्गत आती है? राजनाथ सिंह भी आपके पास है, गृह मंत्रालय भी आपके पास है. फिर ये घुसपैठी कैसे हो रहा है? इसका मतलब वो स्वयं स्वीकार कर रहा है कि वो अक्षम है, वो सीमा को सुरक्षित नहीं रख पा रहे हैं. और ये लगातार जो बोलते हैं कि 56 इंच का सीना, तो क्या मोदी जी पेपर टाइगर है क्या? इस प्रकार की बातें, इस प्रकार के नैरेटिव सेट कर रहे हैं. आज लगातार ये एक चिंता के वास्ते राजनीति से परे हटके मैं जरूर कहना चाहूंगा कि कोई भी जहां से एक संभावना होती है, घुसपैठियों की संभावना होती है, और जो अगर घुसपैठी आ रहे हैं और उनको लगता है कि भारत विरोधी शक्ति वो बन रहे हैं, तो निश्चित रूप से केंद्र सरकार की ज्यादा जिम्मेवारी बनती है, क्योंकि ये उनके अधीन सारी चीजें हैं.
कैमरे पे हमने ये भी पाया कि फेंसिंग ही नहीं है कई जगहों पर, और
इसीलिए मैंने कहा कि एक प्रॉपर फेंसिंग होनी चाहिए. तो इस प्रकार की जो चीजें हैं जहां पे हमें इन्वेस्ट करना था, आपने देखा होगा कि सेना का बजट तक ये वो घटा दिया है.
Shreya Chatterjee with the very latest on that big expose that we did, Shreya. Obviously sounding off alarm bells. The government has now responded. Talk to us about our investigation. The government has finally taken note of this entire matter, showing how systematically these are illegal immigrants. They're being brought into the country and they get all that they require to settle down here, isn't it, illegally?
Well, absolutely.
Yes.
Sneha, we have found in this investigation that it's very easy, in fact, along these porous regions for anyone to cross over from Bangladesh to India. It's being systematically done for exchange of 15,000 rupees per person to get infiltrated. There are well-organized machinery, touts operating in these riverine belts. That's exactly their livelihood is what we can also mention. Clearly, the government has reacted. The government is also acknowledging that there has to be fencing that needs to be done. And also, one of the major findings is that the BSF presence in these areas were very thin. That is something that we got on camera because that's a major concern. These are vulnerable points. It cannot be left unguarded at any point. So clearly there is work to be done. And interesting to see the responses that has also come in. But politics also continues to play out, Sneha, because we still see the BJP blaming the state government there in West Bengal for not providing land, because that's also an issue. Unless and until land is provided, fencing.
I'm coming back to you in a moment from now. Shreya Chatterjee getting in those details.